In this video, I will discuss about falling wedge pattern. What is a falling wedge pattern and how to trade it? So in this pattern, the price is in a downtrend. It means that the support and resistance levels of the price keep getting decreased. So I will draw a trend line over here, and same I will draw a trend line over here. Now, the upper trend line is acting as a resistance. It means that whenever the price touches this trend line, it gets a rejection. Similarly, the lower trend line is acting as a support. It means that whenever the price touches this trend line, it takes a bounce. This is called a falling wedge pattern and it is a bullish pattern. So if the price breaks the upper resistance trend line, you can buy from that point. So let's see. So the price is fluctuating and it has successfully given a breakout. Now this resistance trend line will act as a support trend line. So I will buy it from here with a proper stop loss below this trend line or and below these lows. So I will buy at this point and my stop loss will be below this candle low, and now you can see that these upper resistances will be my TPs. For example, this first resistance will be my TP number 1, second resistance will be TP number 2, and third resistance will be my TP number 3. So when the price hits TP number 1, sell 50%. You can see that the price successfully hit TP number 1, you will sell 50% and place your stop loss at the entry point. As you can see that now I will place my stop loss at the entry point. Similarly, after placing your stop loss at the entry point, if the price hits TP number 2, sell 25%, and if the price hits TP number 3, sell the remaining 25%. So let's see if the price hits TP number 3 or not. I will set my TP number 3 and let's play. You can see that the price has successfully hit our TP number 3. So this is how you can trade a falling wedge pattern. Always use stop loss in trading because nothing is 100% confirmed in trading, especially in the world of cryptocurrencies. So I hope you understood the concept. Please subscribe.